Hello, my name is Kate, and I am a nurse, and I have been working at a hospital in Scottsdale, Arizona for a little over 2 years, and I do work night shift, and being in the location that we do get a fair number of patients at our facility who speak only Spanish or primarily Spanish, and being on night shift, we do not have interpreters in-house between midnight and 6 a.m., and I feel that it is time for me to really learn some Spanish and be able to communicate better with my patients. I am on a stroke and neurotrauma floor, and I feel like I am at risk for missing things for my patients, and I am taking this class to be a better nurse for both my patients and myself. So I, other than that, really have very little exposure to Spanish. I, of course, took 4 years of French in high school, which in the grand scheme of things where I live now is much less pertinent than I would otherwise have hoped. But I'm hoping that a little bit of the maybe grammar comes into play as I'm trying to learn a new language, and hopefully I don't get too confused. I am married, and we have a dog and a cat, and my husband works day shift, so anytime that we get to spend together, we like to get out and go hiking when the weather is nice. We enjoy just relaxing, playing video games or watching TV together. I do really enjoy reading in my free time. I am definitely an introvert. I don't necessarily get out a whole lot, but I'm very happy with that. So I'm really looking forward to this class. I am definitely a little nervous about the fast pace, and I really hope that we all do great.